girl's cat went missing and she was desperate to find him, so she tried everything. She walked around the neighborhood, showing a photo of her cat to every stray she saw. At first, it felt hopeless. Most of them just ignored her and walked away. But then, she showed the photo to one stray. He suddenly stopped. He stared at the pic like he was really trying to recognize him. Moments later, cats from all over the block started coming out, gathering around almost like they were checking the photo together. And minutes after that, her missing cat suddenly walked right up to her front door. That's when she realized the entire neighborhood had teamed up to bring her baby home. And if this made you smile, leave a like and subscribe.